How to add discussion in Telegram channel. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to discuss something onto one of the channels that you are in, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, tap onto one of the channels that you are in, just like this. After opening the channel, you will find the chats, just like this. Now to create or add the discussion, here you can find this option, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find discuss option right here on the chat icon. Now simply select it. Now from here, tap on to join group right here, and then you can simply add the discussion in this Telegram channel. And that's it. This is how you can add discussion in Telegram channel. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.